If you aren't having your clones create your documents for you, you're doing yourself and your employer a disservice. Think about how much time teams waste rebuilding SOPs, proposals, reports, client memos, and decks from a blank page. The approved answers already exist somewhere, but when people draft from memory, every document becomes a guess. Here's the simple workflow. Give your clone the right knowledge, give it the right operator, and direct the deliverable. First, make sure the foundation is real. In the clone root, this is where your clone can draw from its own knowledge base. You can add folders, files, URLs, or Google Drive imports through NewKB. But here's the checkpoint. The status needs to say indexed. Not indexed means not retrievable. If it is not indexed, do not expect it to ground the document. Now, your clone doesn't just pull from one folder. It works through the knowledge it has permission to access. Your personal knowledge base lives under your avatar, then knowledge base. That includes My Knowledge, Shared With Me, and Discover, your own context and the materials shared directly with you. Then there's the role. In Organization Admin, roles define the clone's persona, its job-specific prompts, and the skills it may use. So the same information gets handled differently by an operations lead than by a sales rep. Departments give you team-specific playbooks and SOPs. Org knowledge is where you keep approved brand, product, policy, and compliance references shared across the company. And system knowledge is the platform-wide technical and reference layer. The clone retrieves from the tiers it has access to automatically. No copy-pasting context into every prompt. But access is not authority. If a personal note conflicts with org knowledge, your approved organizational source should win. The clone should flag that conflict, not silently blend it. Now connect a Google Docs, Microsoft Word, or PowerPoint operator. An operator is the execution layer. It creates, writes, extracts from, or exports a real document. It is not just chat text. And it's different from a skill, which can coordinate operators as part of a larger workflow. Then prompt it like this. Create a client-ready incident response procedure in a new Word document. Use approved organization policies and operations department SOPs. Follow the roles terminology, flag missing facts, and do not overwrite an existing file. That's it. You gave it the deliverable, the audience, approved sources, constraints, and the action to take. For a PowerPoint deck, same idea. Create a 10-slide outline using approved organizational messaging and current system data. Separate confirmed facts from recommendations. The result is not magic. It's disciplined leverage. Your clone retrieves the real source material first, uses the right nomenclature, follows the right standards, and produces a grounded draft, instead of making you stare at a blank page. You still review it, especially anything regulated, customer-facing, or externally distributed. Check the facts, assumptions, permissions, formatting, and final approval. But you are no longer manually assembling the first draft. That's it. That's the whole workflow. Give your clone real knowledge, give it the right operator, and stop writing your own documents.